Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. So let us see what is given in the question. We have a right triangle PQR. It is shaded in yellow color. We have a semicircle with center at O. The length of RS is equal to RO. So R is the midpoint of SO. Now OP is equal to 14 units. The OP is the radius of the semicircle. We are asked to find the area of triangle PQR, this yellow shaded region. So it is a right angle triangle. So we know that area of any right angle triangle is half times its base times its altitude, or we can say height. Now let the base be QR, x units, and height be QP, y units. So if we find the length of x and y, we can compute the area of triangle PQR. So for that, first of all, let us focus in triangle PRO. So in triangle PRO, we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. And moreover, we see that R is the midpoint of SO, and SO is the radius of this circle. The radius of the circle is 14 units. So RO will also be 7 units. SR will also be 7 units. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PRO. So the hypotenuse will be PR. So we can write PR square is equal to PO square plus RO square. PO is 14, so square of 14 plus square of 7. 14 square is 196 and 7 square is 49. So if we add this, we will get 245. So PR will be square root of 245, which is 7 root 5 units. So let us mention it in the figure. PR is 7 root 5. Now, if we compare the two triangles PRO and TRO, let us see triangle PRO and triangle TRO. So if we see in these two triangles, this angle is 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree. By the way, it is given here. So this is 90 degree. This RO is common side in both the triangles, and OP is equal to OT, the radius of the circle. So by side angle side property, side angle side, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, then by CP/CT property, that means congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. So from here we can write PR is equal to TR, and PR we already found as 7 root 5. So TR will also be 7 root 5. Let us write here 7 root 5. Let me clear the space. So now we have to use a theorem that says if we have a circle and two chords and they intersect each other, say this length is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So according to this theorem, A times B is equal to C times D. What is A? This is the point of intersection, and this is the chord AB. This is the chord CD, and say for example P is the point of intersection. So AP represents small a, PB represents small b, likewise PC represents small c, and PD represents small d. So A times B is equal to C times D. We will apply this theorem here in our problem. So the first chord will be TQ. See, from T to Q. And the second chord will be SN, from S to N. Okay. By the way, SN is the diameter of the circle, and we know that diameter is the largest chord, largest possible chord in a circle is its diameter. And these two chords are intersecting each other at point R. So can we write like this? SR times Rn, SR times Rn is equal to, R is the point of intersection, QR times RT, QR times RT. So now we will substitute the values. What is SR? SR is 7. What is Rn? Rn is this distance. So this is the radius 14 plus 7, that means 21 units. QR we have assumed as x. So x times, what is RT? RT is 7 root 5. 7 root 5. From here, x will be 7 times 21 divided by 7 root 5. 7 gets cancelled. Let us use the calculator to get the value of x. It is approximately 9.4 units. So x is 9.4 units. So we have found the base. Now our aim is to find the height, that is the measure of distance y. Let me make some space here. So x is 9.4 units. We will focus in triangle PQR. This is a right angle triangle. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. The hypotenuse is PR. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR is 7 root 5. So square of 7 root 5 is equal to PQ is y. So it will be y square plus QR. We just found out it as 9.4 square. So again we will use calculator to find the value of y. So y is approximately, it is 12.5. Okay. So after this we can substitute the values here. So it will be half times 9.4 multiplied by 12.5, and this will be approximately 58.75, or approximately we can say 59 square units. So the area of this triangle PQR is 59 square units, the integer value. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.